In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Spotify Mobile. Getting Spotify on your phone or tablet is quick and simple, and in most cases, it only takes about a minute. The exact process can vary depending on the type of device you're using, but in this guide, we're focusing on Android phones and tablets. If you're following along on your own device, make sure you have a stable internet connection so the app can download smoothly without interruptions. To begin, unlock your Android device and open the Google Play Store app. This is the official app store for Android, and it's where you safely download apps like Spotify. If you don't immediately see it on your home screen, you can usually find it in your app drawer. Once you're in the Play Store, give it a moment to fully load if needed. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. This is where you can look up apps by name. Type in Spotify, then wait for the search results to appear. You may see a few related apps or suggestions, so take a second to make sure you're choosing the correct one. From the results, select Spotify, Music, and Podcasts. This is the main official Spotify app you'll want for streaming music, podcasts, and more. Choosing the correct app is important, especially if several results appear with similar names or icons. Next, tap the green Install button. Once you do that, your Android device will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed and available storage, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. During this part of the process, it's best to stay connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and avoid closing the Play Store until the installation is complete. When the download finishes, you'll see the option to tap Open. Go ahead and tap it to launch Spotify right away. From there, the app will open and you can move forward with signing in or creating an account if needed. And that's all there is to it. Spotify is now downloaded on your Android phone or tablet and ready to use. If the app doesn't install right away, double check that your device has enough storage space and that your internet connection is working properly. With the app installed, you'll be ready to start listening in just a few moments.